Hi friends, this video shows how to set 5G only network mode. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go to connections, go to mobile networks. Here you can see network mode, tap here. Here you can see three options, 5G preferred, LTE preferred, 3G preferred. If you are using 5G SIM, select this first option, 5G preferred. When we select 5G preferred, phone will always try to use 5G if 5G signal strength is good. If 5G signal strength is weak, phone will automatically switch back to 4G or 3G. I will show you how we can stop that, how we can set 5G only network mode here. Open Google Play Store, install this app NetMonster. I already installed this app. Let me open. Tap on open, tap on menu, tap on phone info. Then go down, tap on set preferred network type. Here we have to select NR only or 5G only. Select this option NR only. Done. Then we can close this. Then again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap on connections. Tap on mobile networks. Here you can see network mode has been changed to 5G only. So this way we can set 5G only network mode. Next I will show you how we can revert this change. Tap here. Then tap on 5G preferred. So this way we can revert this change and go back to previous settings. This way we can set 5G only network mode. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.